A new wave of retail investors shaking up the stock market this year, and they may be here to stay even when the pandemic is behind us. Kate Rooney joins us right now with more on what they've been spending their money on this year. Kate, it's good to see you.
Hey, you too, Becky. Good morning. Brokerage firms are on track for a record in new accounts this year, thanks to those retail investors. According to JMP Securities, the industry has added roughly 10 million new clients this year. And based on app downloads, they estimate that 60% came from Robinhood. Robinhood wouldn't confirm their last official total, but they did tell me over the weekend that the number of women using that app has tripled since last year. Schwab, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Interactive Brokers also saw double-digit account growth through the most recent quarter. Startup Webull now has 2 million accounts. The CEO tells me that they open about 10,000 accounts per day. SoFi says its brokerage accounts grew 300% from last year. The pandemic, zero commissions, and volatility made this year what JMP called, quote, a perfect storm for new entrants to the stock market. The rise of fractional trading also made some of those expensive stocks a bit more accessible. According to Apex Clearing, Tesla overtook Apple as the most widely held name among retail buyers. And while that 2020 frenzy of trading may slow down a little bit, analysts tell me it's not going back to pre-pandemic levels. The baseline is now higher. They also expect a lot of retail trading buzz around Robinhood and Coinbase IPOs next year. Becky, back to you.
Yeah, Kate, on that point, Robinhood is reportedly looking to go public in this next year. There's also a lot of consolidation that's taken place within the brokerage space. So what should we be expecting those firms to focus on next year?
They're really focused on infrastructure. They saw a ton of outages. It wasn't just Robinhood this year. You had Charles Schwab and Fidelity. So they're making sure that they can keep up with some of that customer growth and just crazy trading days that they saw in 2021. So tech and infrastructure. And in the case of Robinhood, they're focused on that IPO. They settled with the SEC last week, and they've beefed up their team with some former SEC and Wall Street folks. So they seem to be looking to get things in order. Definitely look forward to reading that S1.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.